It's funny. What a beautiful day. There's been a guy walking toward me, and like I said, social distancing right across. No chat, 5-minute chat. But like he said, when this is over, we're going to have the biggest depression that we have ever seen. People are going to end up on the street. Banks are going to take over everybody's homes, everybody's business. They're going to demand that their bank accounts are all drained. Then they have the courts. The courts will punish anyone that miss a payment for a few months. And especially since the government have given them a couple of $1,000 to survive. Because the credit cards, they're going to be calling like crazy. And they want their money. They don't give a damn about what happened. It's not. It's like the commercial. Yeah. You were forced. You couldn't go to work. Blah, blah, blah. Find yourself another job and pay us. We want our money. Now, you think that's going to happen? I don't think so. I do not believe this is going to happen. Because there'll be millions of people affected. And let's not forget, they said the plane industry, airplane industry they're losing money. And they said that people that owns private jets, they want their money also. So this is going to turn out to be a big mess. What's going to happen? Everyone, they're going to take the currency and it's going to be kaput. They're going to start all over again. Loans, everything. The capitalist system does not work. Especially when you have healthcare in the capitalist system. Because the capitalist system, you demand more money, less workers, and it's all money. So therefore, and you order the government, if they want to keep their credit rating, they have to, okay, I got distracted here. They have to cut. They have to cut services. And yes, that's healthcare. So, this is going to change everything. This is going to change everything. And let's not forget that what's going on in St. John. Well, there's Bob Davidson, the spokesperson for the union. I wouldn't want to deal with him across the table. Okay, we want to raise. Well, 10 years ago, you could have made yourself $8 million, but you signed a deal with a wink of an eye of $500,000 a year. That could have been collected for property tax, the LNG. But I know I'm jumping here, but that's the capitalist system. Even though the city got no money, the union wants their money. And there's no going back. So I'm jumping here. Don't know how the hell Bob Davidson came into my mind. But healthcare and the capitalist system does not work. And people are going to make sure that their healthcare continues or is going to improve after all this. Because once everybody, guess what the government doesn't want? Wants to control this. Because once everybody gets sick, all of a sudden, the hospital, they won't be able to handle it. Stay tuned.